Hi viewers, my name is Hock Ming and I am a licensed commercial drone pilot and a real estate salesperson. In this video segment, I'm going to showcase you all an area drone preview of Qingjian Group's latest development called Hudson Place Residences. Located in Media Circle, the developers submitted a winning bid of $315 million or 1,036 PSF per PPR for this 82,125 square feet site in March 2025. Hudson Place is set to be launched soon. In this video segment, you can also see the construction site with excavation works being done. This site is surrounded by various landmarks including Infinite Studios, Grab HQ, MediaCorp HQ, and it also lies adjacent to the upcoming 358-unit Bloomsbury Residences. At this height as well, you can catch glimpses of the nearby Queenstown and city views and also Tanglin, etc. As the drone is pitching forward, you can see on the bottom right is the Bloomsbury Residences. In front of it is the MediaCorp HQ. So as we approach to the end of this video, if you have any further questions about the development or simply wants to engage a registered commercial drone pilot for your next project, do get in touch with me. My contacts will be shown next. Also, do remember to click the like button and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming drone preview tours of GRS sites across Singapore. Thank you, and I shall see you soon.